Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Carpool, also known as HOV lanes, from Waze so it stops directing you into lanes you're not allowed to use. Whether you're driving alone and keep getting routed into carpool lanes by mistake, or you simply want more accurate navigation that matches your actual driving situation, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Once the app is open, tap on the settings icon, which you'll usually find by tapping the search icon or the gear symbol in the app. From there, go to navigation. Make sure to follow along carefully here, because this is where most carpool routing issues come from. Next, look for the option labeled Vehicle Type. Tap on it and confirm that your vehicle is set to private, or another appropriate non-HOV option. If this setting is incorrect, Waze may assume you're eligible for carpool lanes and route you through them automatically, even when you're driving solo. After that, go back to the navigation settings and find toll and HOV passes. This section is very important. Tap on it and review any passes that are enabled. If you see carpool, HOV, or special lane passes turned on, remove or disable them right away. These passes can trigger Waze to prioritize HOV-only routes without warning. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is fully updated, confirm your GPS location is accurate, and double-check these settings after any app update. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary navigation errors later on. Once you've completed these steps, close the settings menu and start a new route. After that, you should be able to navigate normally without being sent into carpool lanes when you're driving alone. It's also a good idea to recheck your settings occasionally, especially if Waze starts behaving strangely again. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your driving stress-free. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove carpool routing from Waze easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?